Welcome to this Getting Started with ORCID webinar series. In this session, we'll be going over the benefits of ORCID for organizations. So in this session, we'll talk about the benefits of ORCID, so how ORCID can help with uniquely identifying researchers, how it can streamline workflows, how it can help with confirming affiliations, how it can help stay connected with other researchers, how it can help save time and reduce administrative burden, as well as how ORCID is interoperable across systems. So ORCID can distinguish researchers from each other. An ORCID ID persists over time, even if a researcher's name or anything in their life changes. It can bolster a researcher's digital identity, ensure that researchers meet funder, publisher, and reporting requirements, and it can also help save time when filling out forms and reducing administrative burden. We're going to go over each of these things in more detail starting now. So an ORCID ID can distinguish researchers from each other. In this example of a PubMed abstract, you'll notice here that there are a lot of authors with similar names. It's hard to tell who is who without any additional information to distinguish them from one another. An ORCID ID ensures that a researcher's research outputs and activities are correctly attributed to them. So for example, our volunteer researcher Sophia also has several names that belong to her. But how can we be sure that all of these names refer to the correct Sophia? An ORCID ID stays the same and can tie a researcher to their affiliations and activities throughout their career, even if their name changes or they share a name with someone else. In Sophia's ORCID record, all the names she's gone by or goes by are listed, and her works can be correctly attributed to her through her ORCID record and her ID. An ORCID ID can also help streamline the collection of data for certain workflows. This is useful for organizations to help with evaluation, with reporting, and with assessment. All organizations in the research ecosystem can benefit from ORCID. If an organization collects the researcher's ORCID ID, they can use that ID to assess for impact, can help with research reporting, for evaluating a researcher's work, and helping with determining promotion and advancement. An ORCID record can also confirm a researcher's affiliations. You'll see here in this ORCID record that the source of this employment record is from the University of Virginia. This demonstrates how an organization can lend credibility to a researcher's record, confirming that the researcher is employed at their organization to make that information more accurate and more trustworthy. An ORCID record can also help organizations stay connected with their researchers. This helps organizations when assessing for impact or for supporting these researchers with their future research and ongoing careers. An ORCID record can also help save time and reduce administrative burden in workflows and research reporting. A researcher can sign in with their ORCID credentials. They can import information from their ORCID record to populate applications or progress reports, and organizations can automatically add awards, works, or funding to a researcher's ORCID record so that a researcher doesn't have to, making this process more automated to save both the researcher and the organization's time. And finally, an ORCID record can help leverage interoperability. An ORCID ID can make connections to support and enrich the cyclical nature of the research ecosystem. The relationships between publishers, funders, employers, and researchers can all benefit from the use and connections made by using ORCID. This is also true of the different systems that each member of the research ecosystem uses. With ORCID, making these connections and using these different systems in conjunction with ORCID can help make processes between funders, publishers, employers, and researchers easier and more trustworthy. Those are just some of the benefits of ORCID for organizations. In future sessions for our Getting Started with ORCID webinar series, you'll learn a little bit more about how all of this works together. But for now, that is our session for today.